Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, hello. My name is Brittany and my channel name is pronounced BRATTERSTEIN. Today's video, as I'm sure you gathered from the title and the thumbnail, is going to be a tutorial on this makeup look. This right here is my next installment on my Birthstone makeup tutorial little series, and this is my take on a Moonstone, which is one of the birthstones for the month of June. I love moonstones. This is a moonstone necklace right here that I very much love, that I bought off Etsy. When I was looking for my wedding ring, I was looking for a moonstone. Like, I'm a fan. And so I chose this over pearl, even though pearl is also one of my favorites. But I feel like pearl wouldn't be quite as impactful as I wanted it to be, because I wanted it to be something that could be recreated and looked at and been very pretty. I do think I want to do a pearl inspired makeup look in the future, but I want to make it more intense. I want to go buy like little pearls and glue them all over my face and go real intense with it. Let me know if that's something you would like, because I love pearls. I have like these really pretty pearl earrings that Chris got me for like our second Valentine's Day together. And I just love them, so let me know if you'd want to see that. But for this video, it's the Moonstone, and I went very purple heavy. Let me know down below if you like it, and if you do like it at any point when you're watching it, make sure to give it a like and smash that subscribe button, become part of the Brat Pack. Put out new videos every week here, and it's a pretty good group of people. The people down below are pretty nice. I've got a nice little hangout over on this little corner of the YouTubes. That was like my quickest intro ever. I think we should just go ahead and get into it. So do you want to do that? Do you want to get into this video? Do you want to do that? Let's do that. Let's do that right now. Right now. If you would like to see me create this beautiful Moonstone inspired makeup look, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and get into this Moonstone inspired makeup look. That's Iridescent Little Number. I'm going to take this shade right here, which is Subdue, I believe, from the Element of Surprise palette. Going back in time to this beautiful little thing, and I'm going to go ahead and pop this into the crease. Sorry, I'm dropping things everywhere, so let's go ahead and put a shimmer in the crease, because that's what you do. That's what we do. I'm gonna put it kind of high because I have an idea. I don't know how it's gonna work, but we want to put it kind of high for now. Just kind of playing around as I go. I'm not really sure where this looks gonna turn out. I'm not sure what's gonna happen here, but we'll find out. We'll go on this journey together. So what's good, guys? How is your June going? My June is okay. Today's one of those days that isn't great. You know, I go up and down emotionally, and today's not a great day. I've been talking to my best friend today about my job. She thinks I should talk to my boss because my mental state is fragile. I don't know. I don't want to get into it, but I don't know if I'm just having a down period or if it's something that's a real problem. You know when you don't know if a problem's an actual problem or if it's just a problem in your head? That's what I'm kind of dealing with right now. I don't know if there's an actual problem or if I'm so sensitive that I've created a problem in my mind that doesn't exist. I don't know if I'm actually always unhappy or if I'm unhappy now, so it's making me feel like I'm in a constant state of unhappiness. I have trouble separating in my head genuine unhappiness with current unhappiness, I guess. I don't know how to really explain it, but my best friend says I should say something and see if I can improve the situation. She says, think about how much time you spend at your job. If you're not happy, you should do something about it, because it's the majority of the time you spend, and she's definitely right. I don't know. Anyway, I don't want to talk about that because I'm not going to get into it, and I'm just going to leave you guys with more questions than answers. So let's go ahead and move on to something else. So this shade's really pretty. I don't normally put a shimmer in the crease, but considering this is a moonstone, and a moonstone is so glistening and pretty, and I don't know if I mentioned it in the intro, but like, I love a moonstone. This is actually a moonstone necklace. These are gray moonstones. I'm going for more of like a classic iridescent-y, purpley blue, maybe a hint of pink moonstone, but oh, they're such pretty freaking stones. And one of my subscribers This is her birthstone, so happy birthday to you, Miss Diana. I remember. Oh, I remember that this is your birthstone, and that you don't think pearls and moonstones are particularly pretty, and they're literally my two favorite stones. So I don't know. Everyone's got different opinions, but I love a moonstone. I think it's pretty. When I was looking for my wedding ring initially, I was on Etsy looking for a handmade moonstone ring. It's not what I ended up going with, but that is what I wanted because it was they're so pretty. I just love them. So I hope I can do this justice. I realize that I don't have a lot of iridescent eyeshadows because it's not really my vibe, but I'm doing what I can with what I got right now. I'm tired of going out and buying new stuff to just do looks. Like, I should be able to work with what I have and stop being such a freaking consumer all the time, unnecessarily. So I'm going to take this palette that we got forever ago in BoxyCharm, the Naked Cosmetics highlighting palette, and I'm going to go in with this one, and this one. Yeah, so I'm going to take the purple first, and I'm going to work that into the center of that crease, kind of give it a little more lighter iridescence. Hopefully, we'll see how this goes. Ooh, yeah. Yes, that's so pretty. This is what I wanted. Ooh, yes. Let's go ahead and do that on this eye also. It's so pretty. I'm now going to go in with the blue, and I'm going to put that on the outer half of the wing. Give it more of a blue flip out here. This is pretty. This is a vibe. This is the vibe that I wanted for this. So yeah, I'm sorry if my energy seems a little bit weird. It's just been it's been one of those days. Can't always be happy every second of the day, but this puts me in a better mood. So I'm hoping that the more I sit and film, the happier I'll be. Fingers crossed for me, huh? Now I'm gonna take the pink, put that in the beginning half. I wonder what it's like to be a person that's totally, like, fine. Like, you know those people that are just, like, always in a good mood and don't suffer from any type of depression and just are not that person. They're just, like, mentally good. Like, they might get down, they might get the blues, but they don't get, like, depression. You know what I mean? Where you're just, like, sad for no reason all the time, and I wonder what that's like. Now we're going to go in with white eyeliner, and we're going to do a white wing. I'm going to try to do it on camera with you. We're going to see how it goes. I'm not very good at doing wings, period, let alone on camera. This tape is quite helpful, I will say that much. It's helped me at least get a sharp edge there. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry that the mirror's in the frame, but, like, at least I'm doing liner on camera. I've never done this for you before. I don't think. I want, like, a big white wing, so I'm adding more here. It's like the one time in my life where it's intentionally this large. Okay, that is good. So now I'm going to set it with white eyeshadow because though this is like the best white liner I've tried, it's still like a white liner and they are never very opaque, unfortunately. Should I do matte white? I think I should do matte white. I'm going to do matte white. Where's my white eyeshadow? Just like last video, I'm going to take the white out of this. It's the best white ever. Tap it on over the liner to set it and make it real bright and white. Now I'm going to try to match the other eye. I'll be right back because this is going to be stressful. I'm quickly realizing I don't think I did my wings even. So that's tight. Sucks that, like, no liner is as good as black. Like, no liquid liner can be as good as black and just, like, opaque and good. It's like, I haven't tried a single color that works as well. I really wanted, like, a nice dark rich brown liner, and liquid liners and brown even aren't that good. Okay. I'm not too much of a perfectionist sometimes, and today's one of those days where I'm happily chilling and not freaking out that they're not exactly the same, which is nice. Which is nice. Wish they were more the same, but this will do. Oh, that's black. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Imagine what a catastrophe that would have been. Fuck. Okay, and now let's remove the tape and see that beautiful little wing, that sharpness, that money shot that we've all been waiting for. Okay, you ready? You get all up in there and do it. Yes, queen. Let's do this side too. Ow, I forgot. Don't do what I do. I forgot to stick it on my skin first and then take it off so that it wasn't pulling on my skin. So don't do what I do, but let's watch. Yes. I can really see the unevenness when I do this. Toit. I also have a lot of fallout on my face. I'm from doing glitter in the crease. I'm really glad. Look at that. Ooh, Shimmer Fairy. Let me rub it in. I'm gonna have to get that off in a minute. So what I'm gonna do now, can you see how much is on my face? So what I'm gonna do now is get this off my face, do my base. I will come back and we will finish off the eyes and the lips. Sounds like a good idea. Okay, I'll be right back. Just 1 second. Okay guys, so I'm back. My face is on. I'm all highlighted and I'm all ready to go, and I am ready to finish off this eye look with you and this makeup look with you and this video with you, this journey of life that we've gone on together. I'm ready to be done with it. No, but really, let's finish this makeup. I'm going to start by going in with this guy again. I haven't used this in a while. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it above. But I'm going to take the purple here, which is Forest of Thorns, and I'm going to kind of outline the white liner. I think that that would be pretty. Let's do a little more separation between the iridescent and the white. And this is a good shade for it. Let's do that. Do that. So I'm going to go right on the edge of the white. Let me try to not have the mirror in there. And I'm going to outline it. Is this the right brush? Yeah, that's working. Okay. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm wanting. And now I'm going to go in with this palette here. I have a video on this one too. I'll link that above. I'm going to link everything. I'm going to link everything ever. And I'm going to take this blue right here. I actually haven't looked doing my full face with this one palette. And I'm going to hit the outermost. Yeah, like that. Oops, I got it a little bit on the wing. I'm gonna have to fix that. Damn it. Like that though. I'm gonna take the eyeshadow brush that we took in with our very first shade, and I'm gonna kind of like blend over both of those real quick because I realize that they're a little bit bright. At least the blue is a little bit bright for what we have here. Yeah, we just want like a suggestion of blue, like a whisper, a comment on blue. Not just straight blue. Yeah, like that's better because it just kind of shows that there's a separation, but it doesn't like overly outline it. Make sense? Makes sense. Go in and fix that white. I decided to put a little of that purple back over that blue because I felt like it was too blue and it wasn't right for this look. I'm kind of blending it out with my finger to diffuse it. So yeah, now it still is a little more blue than the front half, but it's not so blue. I feel like this looks a little bit better. Okay, I need to stop. I'm messing things up now. Re-intensifying the white. I'm just going back and forth with this look today. Okay, let's stop touching it. I think it looks good. I think the tops look really nice. Now let's work on the lower lash line. And maybe I can work on looking into the camera and not at myself in the viewfinder. Maybe I could work on that. Maybe. I'm actually going to take that Forest of Thorns shade and run that on the lower lash line because I like a darker lower lash line. I like a darker lower lash line, so I'm going to take it on like a fluffier brush so maybe it's not so dark. I want dark on the top but not so dark because this isn't a purple look, it's a Moonstone look. So let's go ahead and smoke that down there. Like that. That's good. That's what I want. That's what I want. I'm glad I get the opportunity to use this palette again. I haven't used it. I think I've only used it like once since that video because, you know, I wasn't like inspired by it or whatever. This look is very interesting. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys like it. I'm in like a creative headspace right now and I'm feeling a little bit better, so that's nice. Yeah. Okay, and for an inner corner highlight, I think I'm going to mix the purple and the blue and pop that on the inner corners. Ooh. Yeah. Yes, this is so pretty. My mom's gonna like this look, I bet. This looks like a very my mom type of look. Mom, do you like this look? Let me know. gonna take the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk and put that in the waterline. Try to not put the mirror in frame. I feel like a pixie. A little pixie lady. Pixie lady. Yep. English. First language. I think I want some glitter. But what glitter and where? Let me figure that out. I'll be right back. I'm gonna throw on some mascara and see if I can find some glitter, and I'll be right back. 1 second. 1 second. Okay guys, I am back. I am mascaraed and glittered. You can't really see the glitter on camera, which is bumming me out, but I took the, this one. Wait. The Fenty Beauty, I would tell you what it is, but I dropped it and the back piece fell off. The Fenty Beauty glittery, glitter. I'll show you. This one. The only one that comes in this packaging. And I tapped it all over the wing area because it's like a cool toned reflective glitter. Cool tone reflective glitter, so I thought it would work well, and it does in person, but you're not in person, so you can't see it, but I promise it's good. So now all we have to do is put on a lip, and we have completed this Moonstone inspired makeup look. In 1 second, my husband just got home, so he's gonna make some noise in here. Okay, so quickly I'm just gonna throw on my lip. I'm gonna go in with the Sephora lip cream in the shade 19. I love these liquid lipsticks. I don't wear a lot of liquid lipsticks anymore, but I do wear these. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this on and then see how that looks. I'm going very purple. It's a purple moonstone. What can I say? It's the vibe that I have when I think of moonstone. So I'm gonna pop this on and then we will have the completed look. So let's go ahead and do that. 1 second. Real quick, look at Dutter's cat. Dutter's cat came to join us. Hello, Dutter's cat. Dutter's cat, hello. He's ignoring me. Did you see that? The thing just flew at my face. Nice. It's a pretty color. It's a pretty purple. Ooh, this lip does look really pretty, but I feel like I can jazz it up just a little bit more, make it a little more moonstony, give it that iridescence. So I'm actually going to go in with this liquid eyeshadow from Cover FX. This is in the shade Amethyst, and I'm going to pop that on the center. This is not something I ever do, but I feel like for this look, it's going to work, and I feel like it's going to match the eyes perfectly for like a nice monochrome look. So let's throw it in the center real quick. Dude, put a little in the center on the top. All right, now that I have it down, I'm going to quickly tap it out. Okay, and I think that that gives us the Moonstone vibes we've been looking for. Okay guys, this is the completed Moonstone themed makeup look. I hope that you enjoyed this look. I hope it is something that you are into. Comment down below and let me know if you like it or if you think I went a little too heavy on the purple. What would you have done differently if you were going Moonstone, or would you have done pearl? I wanted to do pearl, but I feel like maybe I'll do a pearl look in the future, just something based on pearls because I love pearls. I have pearl earrings that Chris got me for like our second Valentine's Day together because I really like pearls. Pearls and moonstones and sunflowers are things that I enjoy so much. So maybe I will do a look on pearl in the future, but I want to get like some tiny pearls and make it really intense and like glue some shit on my face, you know, something real intense that wouldn't be really user friendly or something you could recreate. I feel like though everyone wouldn't wear this, you could easily recreate it. It's not difficult, it's just a little more impactful and intense. So this pink, these hot pink nails don't really go with it, but let's pretend that they do. If you like this look or at any point if you like this look and if you were enjoying yourself and you liked it at any point in time when you're watching it, make sure to give it a like and smash that subscribe button. Become part of the Brat Pack. I would love to have you here, and if you would like to keep up with me on my other social media, I'm on Instagram stories all the time. Let's put it on the screen here. It's BRATTERSTEIN for Instagram and Twitter for makeup related stuff, and then FATTERSTEIN for fitness related stuff if you're interested in that. I work out a lot because I'm trying to lose 100 pounds, man. That's where we're at. That's where we're at. And of course, if you enjoy binge watching videos like I do, you can click on one of these over here. These are links to videos I put up in the past. And if you click on my face over here, it'll take you to where you can subscribe to my channel so you can hang out all the time. I think you should do it. I think it's a good idea. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I hope to see you in my next video. Okay, bye.